Hey guys, this is Daanesh here and we're taking a first look at Samsung's new Galaxy Buds 2. The Buds 2 join the earbuds lineup from Samsung, which currently includes the Buds Live and the Buds Pro. The Buds 2 come with dynamic two-way speakers which are said to deliver crisp, clear high notes and a deep bass, while the active noise cancellation feature will help block unwanted sounds. The headphones will come with 3 adjustable ambient sounds and have a new machine learning based solution that filters out a variety of distracting background noises to keep your voice clear on calls. The Buds 2 are small and curved and seem to look like they fit the ear very comfortably. While the box itself is white and pocketable, the buds themselves will come in 4 colors, namely graphite, white, olive and lavender. We definitely will be reviewing the Galaxy Buds 2, so don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. This is Daanesh. Thank you very much for watching.